Mathematics, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Determination. Question number 1. Solve the following system of homogeneous equations. First question. First you write it in the matrix equation form Ax equal to B. Then argument matrix A comma B. First you modified row 2 equal to 3 row 2 minus 4 row 1 and row 3 to 3 row 3 minus 5 row 1. Then row 3 plus row 2, you get the echelon form. The above matrix is in echelon form. Then here minor of A comma B equal to minor of A less than number of unknowns. The system is consistent with infinite number of solution. To find the solution, writing the equivalent equation. We get 3x plus 2y plus 7z equal to 0, first equation. Then minus 17y minus 34z equal to 0, second equation. Then you simplify, you get the y value is 2t, z equal to t. You substitute in second equation, you get y equal to minus 2t. Then you substitute the z value and y value in the first equation. Then you get x value is minus t. Then so the solution of x equal to minus t, y equal to minus 2t and z equal to t, t belongs to R. Second question, you take it and write it in the matrix form of equation Ax equal to B. Then argument matrix, first you change the row 1 to row 2. After that row 2 minus 2 row 1, row 3 minus 3 row 1. After that row 3 change to 5, row 3 minus 4 row 2. The above equation is the echelon form. Also minor of A comma B equal to minor of A equal to 3. Number of unknowns. The system is consistent with unique solution x equal to y equal to z equal to 0. The system has trivial solution only. Question number 2. Determine the value of lambda for the which of the following system of equation. X plus the given equations as a unique solution. First, second, non-trivial solution. Then write it in the matrix form. Then argument matrix. First you change the row 2 to row 3. Then row 2 minus 2 row 1. Row 3 minus 4 row 1. Then you get this. After that change the row 3 minus row 1. The above matrix is an echelon form. Case 1. When lambda not equal to 8, minor of A comma B equal to minor of A equal to 3, then number of unknown, the system is consistent with a unique solution. Case 2. When lambda equal to 8, minor of 8 comma A comma B equal to minor of A equal to 2 less than number of unknowns. The system is consistent with non-trivial solutions. Question number 3. By using the Gaussian elimination method, balance the chemical reaction equation C2H6 plus O2 H2O plus CO2. Then solution, we are searching for positive integer x1, x2, x3 and x4 such that x1 C2H6 plus x2O2 equal to x3 H2O plus x4 CO2, first equation. The number of carbon atoms on LHS of 1 should be equal to the number of carbon atoms on the RHS of 1. So we get a linear homogeneous equations. 2x1 equal to x4, 2x1 minus x4 equal to 0. Then similar condition, hydrogen and oxygen atoms we get respectively 2x2 equal to x3 plus 2x4, 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0, the third equation. Then minus 2x3 plus 3x power 4 equal to 0, fourth equation. Equation 2, 3, 4 consists as a homogeneous system of linear equation in 4 unknown the argument matrix A comma B. You change the row 3 to row 3 minus 3 row 1. Then you get minor of A comma B equal to minor of A equal to 3 less than number of unknown. So the system is consistent as an infinite number of solutions. Write the equation using the epsilon form. We get 2x1 minus x4 equal to 0, fifth equation. Then 2x2 minus x3 minus 2x4 equal to 0, sixth equation. Minus 2x3 plus 3x4 equal to 0, seventh equation. Then you taking x4 equal to t not equal to 0 in 7th, we get x3 equal to 3 by 2 t. Then you substitute 5, we get x1 equal to t by 2. And then substitute in the sixth equation, we get x2 equal to 7 by 4 t. Then x1 equal to t by 2, x2 equal to 7 by 4 t, x3 equal to 3 by 2 t and x4 equal to t. Since x1, x2, x3 and x4 are positive integer, let us choose t equal to 4t. Then we get x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to 7, x3 equal to 6 and x4 equal to 4. So the balanced equation is 2C2H6 plus 7O2, 6H2O plus 4CO2. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.